Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. In these clips that I've been putting together, I have been solving the math problems that appear in this book, the official SAT study guide. You must have this book if you're thinking about sitting for the SAT, because this is where you want to practice the exams from. There are 8 exams in it, eight real exams put together by the college board, which are the same people who give you the exams. Practice through these 8 exams. Each exam has 3 math sections, and I will try to do as many questions as I can and put them on the YouTube. But of course, I have DVDs for any of these 24 sections, 3 in each exam. All you have to do is send me an email telling me which exam and which section that you wish to purchase the DVD for, and I'll take care of it. Here's my website, www.prep.sat.com. Also, after watching the clip, if you wish to hire me in person, I do personal private tutoring, one-to-one private tutoring. I'm located in Connecticut in the US. Get hold of me again through the website, send me an email, and I'll try to help out as much as I can. Let's get going. Question number 10 is what I'm going to do. Since it's question number 10, it's not that bad. It's only a medium question. It's not question number 20. Question 20 would be the most difficult question in this section. How old was a person exactly 1 year ago? Exactly 1 year ago, if exactly X years ago, the person was Y years old, we are told. Well, I'm going to do it 2 ways very quickly. Even though I don't need to do it 2 ways, we can do it only. There are 2 ways of taking the exam. When you see an algebra problem in the exam, in the SAT, there are 2 ways of taking care of the algebra problems. One is what I call the classical way, the traditional way, the orthodox way, the conventional way, the geeky way, the nerdy way, the proper way, the academic way, which is the algebraic way, through algebra. Nothing wrong with it. Fine, if you can handle it. And the other one is what I call the plugging in way, where you plug in the numbers. You plug in numbers for the variables, and by doing so, you convert the algebraic problem into a very simple arithmetic problem, and you just look for the answer. For example, here, I'm just going to pretend that 10 years ago, a person was 20 years old. So now it reads like this. It reads, 10 years ago, the person was 20 years old. So today the person must be how old? If they were 20 years old 10 years ago, today they must be 30 years old. Let's see what the question is asking. How old was the person exactly 1 year ago? Well, 1 year ago, the person was 29 years old. That's what I'm looking for. I put a box around it because that's what I refer to as a punchline. Whatever they're asking for is what I call the punchline. This is the answer. Let's go through the answer choice to see which one gives us 29. A says y minus 1. Y minus 1 is not going to be it. That's going to be 19. That's not it. B says B is a quantity which is even less than A, because now we are subtracting not only 1 from y but also the x, which is just silly. It's too small. Y minus x, x minus y, which is insane. X minus y already is a negative number. We don't need that. X minus y is going to be negative 10. No need to continue reading it, and no need to actually finish it and analyzing it. Let's look at D. It's either D or E. D says y plus x, which is going to be 30, and we need a minus 1. Here we have a plus 1, unfortunately. That's not it. The answer is E. The answer says 30 minus 1. Y plus x minus 1. Now let me redo the same problem without the plugging in techniques, algebraically, because algebra here is very, very simple. Let me redo it. This is it. I'm told that X years ago the person was Y years old. Well, if X years ago you were Y years old, today you must be Y plus X. I didn't write X plus Y because it's easier to see here. This is your present age. The person was Y years old, X years ago. Person was Y years old, so today they must be what their age was X years ago, which is Y years, plus the difference. I'm making it too complicated. This is, as you can see there. Let me start again. X years ago the person was Y years old. Well, if that is true, then today they must be X plus Y. And the question simply is, how old were they a year ago? Well, there you go. That's it. That's your answer. Quite simple and straightforward. You understand? If P years ago I was Q years old, then today I must be P plus Q. How old was I 3 years ago? That's P plus Q minus 3. That's all. I hope you found it helpful. Send me email, send me comments rather. Post comments on the YouTube if you like. If you wish to get these videos as soon as I upload them, subscribe to my channel at the YouTube. And as I said before, if you wish to purchase the DVD with the solutions to all the math problem in any given sections in the 8 exams, just send me an email and get hold of me. And if you wish to hire me for private tutoring, again, send me an email through the website www.prep4sat.com. Thank you.